Today, we've got an iPhone 12 in for a battery replacement. By the way, the same steps apply to the iPhone 12 Pro. The two models are almost identical. We start, as always with Apple devices, by removing the two bottom pentalobe screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Then we heat up the display using a separator. Basically, a heated platform. Once it's warm, we use a thin film and a bit of isopropyl alcohol to loosen the adhesive around the edges. The alcohol helps break the bond and dries quickly. Now we open the screen, always to the left side. Next, we grab a tri-point screwdriver and remove the screws holding the metal bracket that covers the battery and display connectors. We also take off the top bracket that holds down the sensor and upper mic flex cable. At this point, we disconnect the battery connector along with the 3 connectors from the display module. Now the battery itself is held down with adhesive strips that, in theory, can be pulled out cleanly, but that hardly ever works. To increase our chances, we remove the loudspeaker so we can try to get a better grip on the longest strip. This is how the adhesive is supposed to come out, but if it doesn't, no big deal. We switch to the reliable method, some alcohol and a plastic film to carefully lift the battery. We just need to be super careful here. There are delicate flex cables running underneath the battery. Once the battery is out, we clean up any leftover adhesive inside the housing. We also clean the screen frame, removing any residue, and give everything a wipe with degreaser. Then we apply primer to the frame where the new adhesive tape will go. We lay down the new adhesive strip, cut fresh adhesive for the battery, and press the new battery into place. Now we prep the display module. Same deal. Remove old adhesive, degrease, and apply primer. After that, we reconnect the display flex cables and plug the phone into a charger to test the new battery. If everything checks out, we screw down the brackets, seal up the display, and reassemble the phone completely. And finally, we do one last check to make sure everything's working like it should.